everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week, $563. I already figured out my wallet. That's getting $170. I just do the same amounts in my wallet, usually depending on how much I have. But in spending, I'm doing 30. Groceries is getting 80. Eating out is 30. Coffee is 20 this week. And buffer is 10. So that equals out to 170 for my wallet. And yeah, that one is good to go. So now I'm gonna go into, actually I'm gonna go a little out of order on the binders from this order here. First I wanna go into the savings, my savings challenges, because I did figure out, like predetermine some amounts already. So for the roll the dice, that one is getting $8 this week. Oh, and I have to start subtracting too. I always forget that. All right, so 563 minus 170 and 8. Okay, I'll figure out this one later. And then the other one is the 52-week challenge. I'm just gonna do $5 this week. 52 week is gonna get 5. Okay, so far that's it for now. I'll come back to this one in a little bit, but I want to go into, I'm just gonna go in order because I really don't have too much priority on some of these envelopes. I'm just stuffing what I can in them. So beauty, I don't have anything at all in beauty. I've spent it all. I had 110, now I have 0, but I bought a bunch of things that I needed. So in beauty, that one is getting, I'm just gonna do 15. I already stocked up on all the things I need, so I can just start slowly saving for the next time I need to purchase some things. Clothing currently has 18, so I'm gonna do 15 for clothing. Okay, content is not a huge priority. I already have 81, so I'm just gonna do 5. Costco has nothing, so that will get 10. Now I'm going to Disney this week, so I'm going to put 20. I have 80, so I'm gonna do 20 in here for Disney. Electronics, I will just do 10 for that one. Family, I'm also hanging out with my family this week too, but I already have 93, which is a good amount, so that will just get 10 this week. And fun, I'm gonna do 10 in that one as well. Holiday decor, 10. I've been seeing some things I want to get, like Christmas stuff, so I want to get some more money in there because I just spent from there. Home decor, that one is just gonna get 5. So I already got 38, so that's good. Household, I only have 7. So this one's gonna get 15. Okay, planner stuff is not a huge priority, so that one's just gonna get 5. Target, that one's gonna get 15. Okay, so that's it for this one. And then next is this binder. Auto repair. So I have 145. I'm gonna do 20 this week in auto repair. Christmas, I've reached my goal of 600, so that's good. So everything that I add now is just extra. Maybe I can use it for like new wrapping paper or like, you know, like the wrapping stuff, or maybe making some treats. It's gonna be like extra money that I have, but for the most part, I have what I need for my family gifts, so that's good. So I have 600. but I'm just gonna add 10 this week just to get some more in there. Okay, emergency is gonna get, I'm gonna do 15 in emergency. Extra debt. I zeroed this one out already, took the money to the bank, made the payment on my last, no, not my last credit card. Now I have one credit card left. So I just made the payment on the card that I was paying down with this extra money. So I'm at 0, but this one I do prioritize a little bit more on this one. This usually gets the most amount, like the highest amount. So this one's 30. That one's gonna get 30 this week. Furniture, I'm just gonna do 10. And furniture, gifts, I think I'm gonna do 10 in gifts as well. Registration, so this one's fully funded. I'm no longer going to be stuffing this, and I still need to make a fully funded little slip, put that in there, and then take this money to the bank. I haven't done that yet, so I'm skipping that one. Treat yourself, this is another one I'm prioritizing because I'm trying to pay myself back for something I purchased. I purchased a very expensive bag, so basically took out a loan for myself and my savings. So I'm paying myself back for that, and that's why it's also gonna get 30 this week. Oh, and this is a new one that I just started. It's called Rainy Day. This is for like if I have a day, like recently I had a day where I wasn't feeling well, so I stayed home, but I had to use PTO, which I really don't like having to use because I like to use that for like fun things, like vacations, but I used it to cover my day that I wasn't feeling well. So instead, I'm just starting like a little fund for myself to account for those days, or like, you know, if I'm not feeling well and I need to get stuff because I'm not feeling well, I can do that with this money. So yeah, this one's called Rainy Day, and I have 65 in here. So I'm just gonna put 15 in there. Cool, so that's it for that one. I'm excited for that envelope because that's gonna come in super handy when the time comes. Okay, so back to my savings. I have Go Wild, which, okay, how much do I have in here? I have 1,300. So this week I'm just gonna do 20. I have 75 left. Now I wanna do one of the challenges. I'm sorry, the 100 envelope challenge. Yeah, one of these envelopes. But I don't wanna do too much. I think I wanna go more like middle of this area. And so 52 is looking good to me. 52 looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna write in 100 envelope and 52. So minus 52. So I'm left with 23. And I could go in and like put in some extra money in here, like maybe bump Disney up to 25 or emergency up to 20. But I think I want to put that into just savings challenges. So I'm going to put savings down here and put 23. And that should zero me out there. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to tally everything up. Well, I need to figure out which denominations I want to get for each of these. Okay, so I try to do the lowest denominations for everything. So beauty is going to get a 10 and a 5, clothing 10 and a 5, 5 for content, 10 for Costco, Disney is 20, electronics is 10, family is 10, I have a few 10s here, fun and holiday decor, home decor is 5, household is 15, planner stuff is 5, Target is 15, auto repair is 20, Christmas 10, emergency 15, extra debt 30, so that's 20 and a 10, furniture 10, gifts 10, treat yourself 30, rainy day 15, Go Wild is 20. Roll the Dice is 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 52 week, 5. And 100 envelope is a 50 and 2 ones. Savings. Okay, so I want to break up savings. 15. I want to do 3 5s. 1, 2, 3. 6, 15. And then 8 ones. 8. 5, 10, 15, 16. Yeah, 23. Okay, so that should hopefully all equal out correctly. Well, I will figure that out right now if it does. So 50s, I have 2. 20s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And 1s, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 18 ones. Okay. So now I'm just going to tally up all of these. So this is 100, this is 160, this is 210, 15 times 5, 75, and 18. Okay, so 100 plus 160, 210, 75, and 18 is 563. All right, so when I go to the bank, I'm gonna ask for 2 50s, 8 20s, 21 10s, 15 5s, and 18 1s to cash stuff for the week. So that is gonna be it for this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I put out content every single day, so there's always something to watch on my channel, sometimes even twice a day there's something to watch. But yeah, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you have a comment, definitely leave a comment down in comment section, and I hope to see you in the next video.